Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Kube. As you can tell, my throat is not good, so I will just jump in and explain things where I need to. Otherwise, I'll write them in the captions on the screen. What I'm showing you here is some new Solid Solutions paints that I've been sent to try out, and they're Australian brand. And I'm going to see if they work with my normal pouring medium in a few different techniques that I'll do over the next couple of days. So it'll be interesting to see if they don't work at all or they're better. So it'll be very interesting. So I hope you enjoy this fun little process, because it was actually a fun process. I'm just going to load my little cup with 2 colours only to do a background of a ring pour on there. So just using the white, and I think it was called metallic turquoise, pretty sure. I'm not sure now, I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to do a very plain background ring pour. So yeah, they seem to be particularly creamy, good quality paints. The thing I did notice about them, they smell delicious, like almost good enough to eat, but obviously please do not do that. But they smell really lovely. So that's quite a subtle background for my next bit. So I will puddle a few of the colours. I want to keep it almost monochromatic, so the 2 shades, I think. So I'll pour my colours, and then hopefully this is the bit that will really give it the pop.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly with
Now for the bendy straw bit, I'm just seeing how this blows out. So these straws, I think I got a pack of 5 from the discount store for less than $5. So they do really good because that end is a silicone end. I'm actually loving the effect, and if I might have to bring it closer for you to see the wonderful cells that have come up in there. Really lovely. So it's working really well so far. So I am really happy with those, but it definitely needs balloon kissing to take away the thick black blobby bits in there. So I'm going to get this old deflated balloon and just kiss it in there. Look at that. Then with that leftover paint on my balloon, I am going to put that on a piece of cardboard I've got there. And you can either do that, put it on a piece of cardboard, cut your cardboard out for gift tags, or you can put your balloon kisses on gift cards to make your own gift cards. There's a whole load of ideas you could really do with those balloon kisses that end up on your balloon. So this is just another way, I guess, of making the most out of your artwork. Just finishing it off with that delicate little balloon kiss right in the centre to finish off and make it look like petals. But I was really pleased with this. It came out beautifully. Even though it's a very subtle paint, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely fabulous. Look at those gorgeous, like Shelley bloom cells, but without the house paint and other stuff. Wow. How simple was that, guys? So I think this Australian paint is a winner. Chicken dinner. I've only got limited colours, so I will order more, but that is stunning. That's stunning. So on with the next piece.